When it comes to handling data in modern business environments, organizations use two main approaches. One is leveraging database visualization tools, and the other is manual reporting. Both methods have advantages and disadvantages, depending on the situation and the company's resources. In this blog, we'll dive into the pros and cons of each method to help you determine which one suits your needs better. Database visualization tools. Database visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, and Looker have revolutionized the way businesses interpret data. These tools provide interactive dashboards and real-time updates and automate many processes. Here's a look at their advantages and disadvantages. Pros of visualization tools: efficiency. Tools like these drastically reduce the time spent on generating reports. Instead of hours or days, data is often available within minutes. Accuracy. Human error is reduced because data calculations and aggregations are done by the tool itself. Interactivity. Modern database visualization tools offer dynamic charts, filters, and drill downs so users can explore the data on their own. Real-time analysis. These database visualization tools can connect to live databases, allowing users to see up-to-the-minute data. Collaboration. Many data visualization tools are designed for teams, making sharing insights and reports across departments easy. Cons of visualization tools. Cost. Many of these tools require a significant financial investment, particularly for smaller businesses or startups. Learning curve. Not everyone is tech-savvy. These tools often require training, which can take time and money. Dependence on IT. In some cases, advanced customizations or integrations require IT expertise, limiting their usability for non-technical staff. Data overload. With so much data available at a glance, it can sometimes lead to paralysis rather than clarity when users don't know what to focus on. Manual reporting. Manual reporting, the old-school approach, involves extracting data manually from databases and creating reports using tools like Excel or Google Sheets. While it may seem outdated, it's still widely used for specific scenarios. Pros of manual reporting. Flexibility. Users have complete control over how they format and display data, allowing for fully customized reports. Low cost. Besides paying for basic software like Excel, manual reporting is generally less expensive than sophisticated data visualization tools. Data ownership. When you build your reports manually, you have a deeper understanding of the underlying data. Simplicity. Manual reporting can be straightforward for small data sets and doesn't require advanced tools. Cons of manual reporting. Time-consuming. Preparing reports manually can be a tedious and slow process, especially for large data sets. Human error. Data entry mistakes, formula errors, or missing information can lead to inaccurate insights. Scalability. Manual reporting is not sustainable as datasets grow larger and more complex. Lack of real-time insights. Unlike visualization tools, manual reporting lacks real-time capabilities, which is crucial for some businesses. Which one should you choose? The choice between database visualization tools and manual reporting depends on your business needs, budget, and the complexity of your data. Manual reporting might be sufficient for small businesses with limited data. However, as your business grows and data becomes more complex, investing in a database visualization tool can save you time, reduce errors, and provide deeper insights. For instance, if your organization deals with real-time data such as sales trends or customer behaviors, data visualization tools can offer a significant advantage by providing actionable insights quickly. On the other hand, if you're creating one-off reports for small datasets, manual reporting may be a cost-effective solution. Both database visualization tools and manual reporting come with their unique set of advantages and disadvantages. The key is to evaluate your organization's current and future data needs and choose the approach that offers the best balance of cost, efficiency, and accuracy. In some cases, combining both methods might be the optimal solution. For example, you could use database visualization tools for real-time insights and manual reporting to create ad hoc, highly customized reports. In a world driven by data, it is more important than ever to have the right tools and methods to analyze it. Whether you choose a modern data visualization tool or use manual reporting, the ultimate goal is to transform raw data into valuable insights that drive business success. How Bizionic's database services can help. If you want to simplify your database management and reporting processes, Bizionic's database services can be a game-changer. With a focus on innovation and efficiency, Bizionic provides tailored database management, reporting, and visualization solutions. Their expertise ensures that your data is organized and transformed into actionable insights, enabling smarter decision-making. Visit Bizionic's database management services to learn more about how their tools and strategies can help your business thrive in today's data-driven environment.